Lesson 21, page 473, Understanding Tens and Ones. This is a parent letter to explain a little bit about what we are working on and introducing to our students and exploring how two-digit numbers can be shown as tens and ones in multiple ways. Your child will be able to recognize place value or the value of a digit based on its position in a number. For example, if we have the number 23, if we look at where numbers are placed and we ask, what is the value of the number 2 in the number 23? What is the value of that digit 2 in the number 23? Understanding its place in place value, here we have tens, here we have ones, and understanding that the 2 is actually representing 20. The 2 is representing 2 groups of 10. Also understanding the value of the 3. The number 3 has a value of 3 ones. It has 1, 2 ones, and 3 ones. The number 20 could be broken apart just like this as 2 different groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new lines, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new lines, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 ones as one group representing 10, and another group of 10 ones making one group of 10 as well, and adding them together, showing the value of 20. So we are understanding the words value. What is the value of the 2 in the number 23? What is the value of the 3 in the number 23? Many students will want to say 2, the value is 2. But when we look at the number 2, we see that there are 2 groups of 10 and cannot say 2 ones, right? Because if you say the value of 2 is 2, then it automatically defaults to the ones. And 2 in the numbers 23 represents 2 groups of 10 or 20. We're also learning how to break apart numbers and taking apart those groups of 10 and decomposing them back into ones. So we will continue looking through there. In this activity, this is something that you can do at home with your child. You can get a group of objects containing anywhere from 50 to 100 or 90 or 70, it doesn't matter, just a group of objects. And your child can look and group them into groups of tens, and understanding that when you count them by tens, it makes it quicker to count. You can ask them to write the number. How many tens are there? How many ones are there? If you took one group of 10 away, how many would that be? So all week and into the next week, we will be looking at composing and decomposing numbers. For example, if we took the number 47 and we label it as tens and ones, I'm going to draw a line under here. We can see that they have a group of 4 tens, 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, and 7 ones. 1, 2 ones, 3 ones, 4 ones, 5 ones, new line, 6 ones, 7 ones. But another thing we could do is we could look at it another way. So this is 4 tens and 7 ones. But I can still make the number 47 if I use 3 tens and 7 ones. 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7. But if I took one of these tens over here and moved it over into the group of ones and showed it as a group of 10 ones. So 47 could also be looked at as 3 tens and 17 ones. We will also see how we can do that another time and look at it like 2 tens and move another 10 over into the ones place. So we still have those 7 ones, but then we add another 10 over here of ones and a second group of 10 as ones. So there are going to be many different ways that we can look at numbers and compose and decompose these numbers as we move forward.